You put your puzzle together?
They just got a milk.
You have 2 horses? What do you have? You have 2 chickens? Where's the mama horsey? Where's the mama horsey? Where's the baby horsey? Can you put them together?
Yes. Little pig.
Good job. Now what's Brandon? Brandon has the pigs?
Yeah.
Yeah. Where's the mama pig?
Right here.
And where's the baby pig?
Right here.
Good. Oh, and you already did your other puzzles? Did you do that all by yourself, Brandon?
That one.
You did that one? What's that? It's the mama goat? And the baby goat?
E-I-O.
E-I-E-I-O? E-I-E-I-O?
E-I-O.
What did you do, Matt? What puzzle did you do?
A froggy one.
A froggy one?
What's that mean?
It says rainforest frogs.
Let's try
You're pretty good at that.
Let's try again.
Spencer, where's your zebra?
Rainforest frogs.
What do you got? What do you got? So you got a bear and a giraffe? What is Ben doing over here? Hi, what do you got? You have animals? Four. You are right. Can you match up your lions, Zachary? Show me your 2 lions. Good job. Can you match them up? Good job. Can you find your 2 kangaroos? Good job. Good job. Ben, can you show me yours? All right, say bye-bye, camera. Say bye-bye. Can you wave? Wave. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay.